I can hear this alarm sound from a distance in the street, but I went out, couldn't exactly say where it is, and it stopped. This is about 5:20 in the morning on Thursday. I'm going outside to check the siren. Becomes louder here. I think it's coming from this apartment. I think it's somewhere here. I just called 911. I'm waiting for them to show up. I think this is where the alarm is coming from. 1050 Grover, and they said they're coming over to meet me in front. Here now, after like 6 minutes, they showed up. Let's see. How are you doing? I can hear like smoke alarm right from here. It stopped for like 5 minutes and started again. Mostly it's coming from here. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
I heard it like from 1035. I came over. I hear it much louder. There is something in the background. Oh, there it is. I think they stopped it. Whatever it was stopped right now. The fire department sent this truck to see. They're checking something in the end. Whatever it is. Coming to let me know what it was. Let's see. This is the Corvette. Next thing you know,
You
was
live
it
in this
okay?
building or not?
I'm sorry?
Do you live in this building?
No, we were there
Over there.
on 03 And probably this was going on for like 2-3 hours.
Right.
And then I came over and I could hear it getting louder.
Right.
Nobody paid attention. Somebody was working right here, but I asked him, I said, yeah, I can hear. Oh, that guy over there. He's on the phone. Well, what was it?
Well, it's the alarm. The box. The box is ringing itself, but it's not setting up the alarm for the building.
It's not fire alarm, is it?
Well, the fire alarm box is what was ringing. It's not a fire. It's
not.
malfunctioning box. Fire alarm box.
Maybe battery?
No, it's electrical. I mean, it's got electrical power too with a backup battery. It's not like one in the unit. It's the box itself, which usually, if it's alarm, we hear a different type of bell.
Yeah,
not just
I've
a
heard
buzzer
that
like
too.
that. Yeah. And
But
so,
then again, I'm wondering if this was loud enough. I mean, I couldn't sleep over there.
right. I'm surprised that nobody else.
Nobody else has called. The reason I called 911, just somebody would say, you know what, we know about it. Just cool down and go home.
Right.
Anyway, thank you for coming over.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. I wish if there was a manager on site or anything.
I don't think so. I mean, I don't see even any number or anything. These guys are still awake. I didn't see anybody. Thank you anyway.
All right. Yeah.
Bye. So what he was saying, it was fire alarm, but it's malfunctioning. It wasn't because it was a fire. In reality, nobody paid attention. It's a smoke alarm. You would think somebody would report it to 911, say I hear a siren or fire alarm, but nobody paid attention, I guess. Anyway, it's stopped now. I'm gonna go sleep.